This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. The air filter housing is located in the front left-hand corner of the engine compartment. The housing cover is secured by 2 screws at the rear and 5 screws around the edge. Undo the screws. Lift up the cover, taking care not to strain the intake ducting. Remove the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the housing. Manoeuvre the new filter element into position with the rubber seal uppermost. Lower the housing cover, then tighten the retaining screws securely. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.